Dear students, we have learnt about angle between pair of lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 and equations of the bisectors of the angles in last class. Today we are going to learn pair of bisectors of angles theorem. If the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 represents a pair of intersecting lines, then the combined equation of the pair of bisectors of the angles between these lines is h of x square minus y square equal to a minus b of xy. A minus b of xy. See here. See. Proof. See, this is x-axis and y-axis. X-axis, y-axis, these are the pair of lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy this is the, suppose this is angular bisector of the pair of lines, angular bisector of the pair of lines, these two pair of lines. So this is theta 1. The line makes an angle with x-axis in positive direction, and this is the angle theta 2. The line makes an angle with x-axis in positive direction, and then this is the angle between these two lines. Of course, this is y equal to m1x line, and this is the y equal to m2x line. This is the y equal to mx line. So angle between these two lines is nothing but, so this is the angle, this is the angle between bisector of these two pair of lines with x-axis is nothing but theta, and angle between these two lines is nothing but theta minus theta 1. Theta, this is the theta minus theta 1, and this is the angle between y equal to m2x and y equal to mx is nothing but, this is the angle is nothing but what, see theta 2 minus, this is what, theta, this is the theta, so theta 2 minus theta, so this is the angle theta 1 between y equal to m1x and x-axis, and this is the angle theta 2 angle between y equal to m2x and x-axis in positive direction, and this is the angle theta between angular bisector of these two pair of lines and x-axis in positive direction theta, and this is the angle between y equal to mx and y equal to m1x, that is nothing but this is a theta minus, this is theta minus theta 1, this is the angle between y equal to m2x and y equal to mx, that is nothing but theta 2, this is the angle theta 2 minus theta theta. Now these two angles theta 2 minus theta and theta minus theta 1 are equal because of this is the angular bisector, this is the angular bisector, this line is nothing but angular bisector. Proof, let us see proof. Given ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 represents two lines B y equal to m1x, that can write as m1x minus y equal to what, 0, this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. Okay, next second line B y equal to m2x, it can be write m2x minus y equal to 0, this is the equation 3. Let y equal to mx be the one of the angular bisector equation. Let this is the y equal to mx is one of the angular bisector of these two lines, equation 2 and equation 3, and here m1 is nothing but slope of y equal to m1x, that is tan theta 1, and m2 is nothing but tan theta 2 of this second line, and m equal to from here y by x is nothing but tan theta. From figure what is theta 2 minus theta equal to what, theta minus theta 1, these two angles are equal because of this is the angular bisector line makes an angle with y equal to m2x and y equal to m1x. Theta 1 take to this side, then we will get theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to theta plus theta is nothing but what, 2 theta. Apply tan both side, tan theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to tan 2 theta. By using tan theta 1 plus theta 2 formula, tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 by 1 minus tan theta 1 into tan theta 2, that equal to tan 2 theta formula 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta. Tan theta 1 is nothing but what? M1. Tan 2 theta is nothing but, tan theta 2 is nothing but what? M2 by 1 minus tan theta 1 into tan theta 2, that is nothing but M1 into M2, that equal to 2 tan theta. 2 tan theta is nothing but what? M by 1 minus tan theta square is nothing but what? M square. Okay, this is what? Sum of the slopes of the pair of lines. Already we know, that is nothing but, already we have the result. Sum of the slopes of the pair of lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to minus 2h by b, minus 2h by b, 1 minus product of the slopes, that is nothing but a by b, that equal to, this is 2 of m equal to what? Y by x by 1 minus y by x whole square. So this is minus 2h by b by b minus a by b, that equal to, this is 2y by x by, this is 1 minus y square by x square, y square by x square. So bb get cancel, then minus 2h by b minus a, that equal to 2y by x by x square minus y square by x square. X and 1's x get cancelled, then minus 2h by b minus a, that equal to, this is x can be multiplied by numerator, then 2xy by x square minus y square, x square minus y square. This this can write minus 2h by b minus a, can write 2h by a minus b, that equal to 2xy by x square minus y square. So 2 get cancelled, then cross multiplication, h of x square minus y square equal to a minus b of xy, a minus b of xy. This is the pair of, this equation is the pair of bisectors of angles, pair of bisectors of angles. This equation can represents pair of bisectors of angles. Note the sum of the coefficients of x square and y square in the bisectors equation is 0, which verifies their perpendicularity. That means after calculating the equation of pair of bisectors of the angle, in the equation of pair of bisectors of angle, the sum of coefficients of x square and y square may be 0, then the pair of bisectors of angles are perpendicular. Now see solved problems. First one, show that the solved problems. Let us see. We will see some solved problems. Show that the product of the perpendicular distances from a point alpha comma beta to the pair of straight lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is modulus a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Solution. Let ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 represents two lines B1, first one L1x M1y equal to 0. That is equation number, this is 1, this is 2, and second line B L2x plus M2y equal to 0. This is equation number 3. This is L1x plus M1y equal to 0 and L2x plus M2y equal to 0 is be the two lines. Therefore ax square plus 2hxy can be written as product of these two lines, that is L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2y. Already we have seen this implication. Once again, L1 into L2 x square plus L1 M2 plus L2 M1 of xy plus M1 into M2 of y square. We have seen this in previous classes, this implication. Comparing comparing the coefficients on both sides, then what is a here? Coefficient of x square, that is nothing but L1 L2. What is 2h here? Coefficient of xy, that is L1 M2 plus L2 M1. What is b here? Coefficient of y square, that is M1 M2. Let see perpendicular distance from a point to the pair of straight line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Let d1 is perpendicular distance from point alpha comma beta to equation 2. Of course this is x1 comma y1. d1 is nothing but what? Perpendicular distance from alpha comma beta to equation 2 is nothing but first line or pair of lines, one of the pair of lines. Already we know the formula of perpendicular distance from a point to the line, that is d1 equal to modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Here that is L1 alpha, x1 is nothing but alpha, plus m1 beta by root of L1 square plus m1 square, L1 square plus m1 square. The same way, let d2 is perpendicular distance from alpha comma beta to equation 3 is nothing but second line of pair of straight lines. That is therefore d2 equal to modulus, this is x1 and y1, modulus L2 alpha plus m2 beta by root of L2 square plus m2 square, L2 square plus m2 square. So therefore the product of the perpendicular distances from alpha comma beta to pair of straight lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Then the product of perpendicular distances d1 into d2 equal to modulus L1 alpha plus m1 beta by root of L1 square plus m1 square into L2 alpha plus m2 beta by root of L2 square plus m2 square, Just you can simplify, multiply these two, L1 into L2, L1 into L2 alpha square, of course modulus, plus L1 into M2, L1 M2 beta, and M1 into L1 into M2 alpha beta, and L2 M1 alpha beta, L2 M1 alpha beta. Just you can take the common and write. Next one, this is M1 M2 beta square, M1 M2 beta square by root of, this is L1 root of root A into root B is nothing but root AB. Just you can multiply L1 L2 L1 square into L2 square, that can be right L1 L2 whole square, plus L1 square into M2 square, that can be right L1 M2 whole square, plus this is L2 square into M1 square, that can be right L2 M1 whole square, plus M1 square into M2 square, that can be right M1 M2 whole square, M1 M2 whole square. That see, this is already L1 L2 is already we know that is A alpha square, plus L1 M2 plus L2 M1 is nothing but what, 2H alpha beta, plus this is M1 M2 is nothing but what, B beta square by root of, see this can be right, this is L1 L2, this is M1 M2, we can write L1 L2 minus M1 M2 whole square, A minus B whole square, A minus B whole square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square, but we have only A square plus B square, so minus 2AB here there, just you can add plus 2AB, 2A is nothing but L1 L2, 2L1 L2 M1 M2, so these two terms are written like this. Next, this is A square plus B square, so you can write A plus B whole square minus 2AB, so L1 M2 plus L2 M1 whole square minus 2AB, 2L1 L2. For our convenience we can write like this to get the answer, so 2L1 L2 M1 M2, then modulus A alpha square, this is what, product of perpendicular distance from point alpha comma beta to ax square plus 2hx square plus by square equal to 0, then product d1 d2 equal to A alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus B beta square by root of this is nothing but A, this is nothing but B, so A minus B whole square, A minus B whole square, these two get cancelled, plus L1 M2 plus L2 M1 is nothing but what, 2H whole square, that equal to modulus A alpha square plus 2H alpha beta plus B beta square modulus by root of A minus B whole square plus 2h whole square is nothing but 4h square. Therefore product of perpendicular distances from point alpha comma beta to pair of straight lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is, what is the product? Modulus a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Second solved problem. Let ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 represents see, let ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines. Then show that the equation of the pair of straight lines, first one passing through the x1 comma y1 and parallel to the given pair of lines, is a of x minus x1 whole square plus 2h of x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus b of y minus y1 whole square equal to 0. And second one, passing through x1 comma y1 and perpendicular to the given pair of lines, is b of x minus x1 whole square minus 2h of x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus a of y minus y1 whole square equal to 0. See solution. First one solution. Let ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 represents pair of straight lines. The lines following lines L1x plus M1y equal to 0, that is 1, and second line be L2x plus M2y equal to 0, that is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Equation number 2. We have already product of these two lines results, that is L1 L2 equal to what? A. Already we have discussed in earlier problems. L1 M2 plus L2 M1 is what? 2h, and M1 M2 is what? B. Then the equation of a line parallel to equation 1. Equation 1 is nothing, first line of pair of lines, and it is passing what? Passing through point x1 comma y1 is L1 of x minus x1 plus M1 of y minus y1 equal to what? 0. This is 3. This is equation number 3. And same, the equation of the line parallel to equation 2, second line, and passing through point x1 comma y1 is L2 of x minus x1 plus m2 of y minus y1 equal to 0. This is equation number 4. Equation number 4. Equation number 4. Now required pair of lines. Required pair of lines, that is nothing but product of equation number 3 and 4, that is L1 of x minus x1 plus m1 of y minus y1 into L2 of x minus x1 plus m2 of y minus y1 equal to 0. Just you can do multiplication. This one L1 into L2 of x minus x1 into x minus x1 is nothing but x minus x1 whole square plus L1 into m2 of x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus L2 m1 of x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus m1 into m2, that is nothing but m1 m2 y minus y1 whole square equal to 0. That equal to L1 L2 x minus x1 whole square plus this x minus x1 of y minus y1. This is also x minus x1 of y. We take common L1 m2 plus L2 m1 of x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus m1 m2 y minus y1 whole square equal what? 0. That equal to this can be written as L1 L2 is nothing but what? A of x minus x1 whole square plus this can write 2h of x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus this is what m1 m2 is nothing but b of y minus y1 whole square equal to what? 0. This is the equation of line parallel to pair of straight lines which is passing through the x1 comma y1. Second one is nothing but equation of line perpendicular to pair of lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 and passing through the point x1 comma y1. Let ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 represents the following lines that is L1x plus M1y equal to 0. This is 1. And second line is L2x plus M2y equal to 0. This is equation number 2. The equation of the line perpendicular to equation 1, the first line of pair of lines, and it should be passing through point Px1 comma y1 is, already we have discussed perpendicular line to the given line in straight lines chapter. Just interchange the coefficients of x and y and keep minus. Is m1 of x minus x1 minus L1 of y minus y1 equal to what? 0. This is equation number 3. In the same way, the equation of the line perpendicular to equation 2, that means second line of pair of lines, and passing through point x1 comma y1 is m2 of x minus x1 minus L2 of y minus y1 equal to 0. That is equation number 4. Therefore, the combined equation of equation number 3 and equation number 4 is equation number 1 is nothing but, equation number 3 is nothing but m1 of x minus x1 minus L1 of y minus y1 into equation number 4 is nothing but m2 of x minus x1 minus L2 of y minus y1 equal to 0. Just do the product multiplication, m1 into m2, x minus x1 whole square, m1 into L2 minus m1 L2 x minus x1 into y minus y1. Next to minus L1 m2 x minus x1 into y minus y1. Next minus into minus plus L1 L2 of y minus y1 whole square equal to what? 0. So m1 m2 of x minus x1 whole square minus, it can take common minus L1 m2 plus L2 M1 of x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus L1 L2 of y minus y1 whole square equal to 0. Y minus y1 equal to what? 0. So m1 m2 is nothing but what? B, x minus x1 whole square minus, this is L1 m2 plus L2 m1 is nothing but what? 2h of x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus L1 L2 is nothing but what? A, y minus y1 whole square equal to 0. This is the required equation, equation of perpendicular line to the pair of straight line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, which is passing through the point x1 comma y1. Note: the pair of lines passing through the origin and perpendicular to the pair of lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is, this is the pair of lines passing through the point x1 comma y1 and perpendicular to the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is 0. This is the pair of lines passing through the origin and perpendicular to the pair of lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is bx square minus bx square plus bx square minus 2hxy plus ay square equal to 0. Just interchange the coefficients of x square and y square and keep minus to the xy coefficient. That is the perpendicular line passing through the origin, equation of line passing through the origin and perpendicular to the given pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0.